had these expectations of going in and changing lives, and it's really been beautiful to see how much it's changed me.
Her salvation, Lord God, and her eternal life, Lord Father. So I pray that you just shower your love upon her, Lord Father.
God was tugging in my heart to really get involved with the ministry. I knew that it was going to benefit me and also benefit the girls, just because I'm coming in and getting that education and getting that knowledge.
Here at Restoration Ministries, we understand that human trafficking is a deeply complex issue. We believe that awareness and education is the first step to getting involved. The Ambassadors Program will help you develop more accurate understanding of what human trafficking looks like in the U.S., what it means to be a traffic survivor, and how God calls the body of Christ to serve prostituted women and men. As an ambassador, you will be meeting once a month from September to May to discuss various aspects of human trafficking with people who share your passion. You will also take part in advocacy events around the city, fundraisers, prayer walks, and service projects.
End slavery now!
For every person here, as well.
Everybody has something to sow into. It's so complex that there's just so many things that stem out, and everybody can benefit.
The massive injustice of modern-day slavery screams for intervention from God's people. Will you look away, or will you speak up against this injustice and pray for a heart to serve as Christ served?